So hello everyone, welcome back in a new video. And in today's video, we will talk about Black Hole Splitter app, what is its use and how to use it. So let's start the video. But before that, if you are new on the channel, then subscribe to the channel and like the video. So let's start the video. So first of all, open the App Store or Play Store, whichever you use. And after that, search by writing Black Hole Splitter. And only above you will get to see this application. Click on it. So this is our Black Hole application, which is used to download reels and videos. And using it is quite easy, and it is the best, which you can guess by looking at its rating. So download it by clicking on download. Once it is downloaded, copy the link of whichever reel or video you want to download. Now you have to open your application. And now we are going to open it for the first time. So keep some important things in mind. Number 1. Give permission to whichever application asks for it. After that, paste your link in the circle formed in the middle, after which the most important options will open on the screen, out of which you have to select the option of allow access of all photos in the middle, which is very. After pasting the link, your video will start downloading. Keep in mind that your network connection should be good. If you are downloading a big video, after 5 seconds your video will be downloaded, which you can see in gallery and photos. Its video quality is very nice. So in this way, you can download videos from the Black Hole application. Let's meet you in some other video.